Our rice cooker stopped working, the light will not come on. So today I'm going to show you how to repair a rice cooker. So first, when you don't have a light on, it's possible there's electricity is not delivered to the rice cooker. So I use a multimeter. I turn to ohm resistance. What I'm trying to see whether there's any resistance for heating part. So when I have this, I don't see any reading. I press this, I still don't see any reading. So that means the circuit is not closed, somehow open. I'm trying to debug this. So the first step is you remove the rice cooker. You try to open the bottom. There are two screws. One is here, one there. Unscrew the screw. And it's very easy. Take this out. I'm trying to trace from one of this terminal to either here or here. There's a reading here, meaning this path is fine. I'm trying to trace from here, follow this path to here. So I'm trying to check the wire whether it's good. So it turned out one of the wire is not good. So I'm really puzzled. Why is that? See, there's something rubber here. So I will show you what will happen. So I unscrew one of them. And I take this. See, this looks like a wire, but if you uncover this, you take this out, you see, there's a thermal fuse here. And I'm trying to see whether there's any resistance here. So it's infinite. It's not connected at all. So that means the thermal fuse is not working. So I need to find a thermal fuse. What kind of a fuse you should get? These are the lighters printed on that parts. The most important are the two. One is the 192 degrees centigrade, 10 amp. But this is the most important. So first I tried Google 192C thermal fuse and came out from a website called the New World. It's pretty good price. You can see this is only 99 cents. You have to give a credit card before you know the shipping rate. The shipping rate is $26. That's ridiculous. $26 for shipping. Then I went to Radio Shack. The part NTE 8182. It's pretty cheap, $3 less $2.58, and the temperature reading is 378 Fahrenheit, which is 192. So this is the right part, except the maximum current is 15. The original is 10 amp, and this is a 15. So the shipping is $5.99 from Radio Shack. So it's not a Radio Shack brand, but it's someone selling at RadioShack.com. The last I will have just one more try. So I searched 192 thermal fuse in eBay. There's quite a few. I will sort it according to shipping plus price. So I know exactly the end price. One is 99 cents with $2 shipping. This is a little bit better than that New World site. And this is another one, $2.99 for 5 piece. So they have a 1 piece and 5 piece. I use the second one because there are 5 pieces. So I go here, and this guy has 100% a positive rating. So I think I will just buy it from this side. I want to use a PayPal but charge my credit card because it's coming from China. So I come to this manual. It says if you use a credit card, the 3% of your purchase. This is about 8 cents. So I would say, okay, I won't use my bank. I use my credit card. 8 cents. I have some insurance. Wait a few days and come from China. Confirm and pay. It says confirm and pay, and now processing. It says estimate deliver between Monday, September 16 and Wednesday, October 2nd. It's quite a while. Today is August 25th. You know, you order something from China, that's what it takes. And I will tell you later on exactly when I will receive. So I was surprised a few days later. I expect a much longer time, but this mail came from China. That part arrived inside a bag of 5 thermal fuse. I'm going to use the meter to see whether there's any circuit. Yeah, so this is good. Replace this one with this one. It looks even, identical. So how do you replace? This is not soldered. You have to use a plier and try to open
open this crimp.
Open this crimp. So you're trying to open this crimp. You can use the 2 pliers. See, now it's open. So the crimp is like, this is the old one. The new one, you would need to bend this in a V shape. I was able to get this off. It's beaten up, but it's still fine. This is the new one.
So what does that look like on the other end? Which part is that?
This is the
The crimp with the eye on it.
eye on it. Yeah. Then I'm going to put this back. It turned out taking this off, it wasn't as easy, but I was able to do it. It doesn't look good, but still workable. If you are unable to take it off, some vendors sell this connector that come with this. It will be easy. You just cut this off and put this on. I have a few lying around, not for this project, from other project. If you have this kind of thing, it will be easy. You just cut it off and then put this through. You use the plier to crimp it on. Of course, at the end, you need to take this hard plastic off because it's hot. This is not designed for the hot one. So if you have this, it will be easy. I store things around this. Of course, my wife doesn't like it. I keep a lot of junk, but this is one situation that comes in handy. So the rest is pretty easy. Once you know what you do, you just use the plier to crimp it on. On the other end, the same, just put this in and use a plier to crimp it on. And then afterwards, put this insulation back, put the screw back, and then use a meter to see whether this works now.
Okay, so you just tried sort of pressing the on button on the rice cooker.
Right, I try to use the resistance to measure and then press the on button. 25 ohm, so it should work now. Plug in, now it's warm, and if you do this, start cooking. Thank you for watching.